For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Hey guys! I'm excited to share my experience with the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo, and I think you're going to love this. I've flown a few drones in my time, but nothing quite compares to the experience I had with the DJI Avata when paired with the DJI FPV goggles V2. It's like stepping into the cockpit of your drone. You feel completely immersed, and it's almost like you're actually flying. I remember the first time I put on those goggles, I was instantly in the air, and the view through the 155 degrees FOV was unlike anything I'd ever seen. The quality is just stunning, and the wide field of view makes everything feel more real. Safety and durability. Now, I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to flying drones, so I was a little nervous about crashing. But the built-in propeller guard really reassured me. I accidentally bumped into a tree branch during one of my flights, but the drone kept going like nothing happened. It didn't lose control, and I was able to continue flying right after the minor collision. Plus, the 18-minute flight time gave me plenty of time to explore and capture everything I wanted, without feeling rushed to get back to the ground. Extended flight range. Another thing I want to highlight is the flight range. When I was flying the DJI Avata, I took it to an open field to see how far it could go. The HD feed stayed strong even at 7 kilometers, which was pretty impressive. I've flown other drones with weaker transmissions, and I've lost signal much sooner, but with the DJI Avata, I felt confident pushing its limits without worrying about losing the connection. Compatibility and flexibility. One of the coolest things about the DJI Avata is its compatibility with other DJI products. I tried it with the DJI FPV remote control too and was able to customize the flying experience even more. It's great to have those options depending on what you're looking for in a flying experience. I'm a fan of the DJI motion controller for its simplicity, but I can see why people would want to experiment with other controllers as well. Conclusion. Overall, I've been incredibly impressed with the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo. It's perfect for both beginners and more experienced drone pilots. Whether you're looking for 4K video quality, an intuitive flying experience, or a compact design that's easy to carry around, this drone has it all. I can't wait to take it on more adventures, and I know you'll love the experience as much as I have. Trust me, once you've flown this, you won't want to go back to any other drone.